The marble lobby fell silent as bank executives laughed at the woman in running clothes and a baseball cap. Vanessa Mitchell stood calmly as they denied her ownership claim. "This bank isn't for sale to someone like you," the manager sneered. What they didn't know was that Vanessa's husband had already purchased a T55. Vanessa maintained her daily jogging ritual through Oakage. A bright yellow notice caught her eye. Oakage Community Bank closure notice. 30 days before acquisition by National Financial Group. She thought about Mrs. Henderson, who at 87 still walked to the bank every Friday, and the loan officer who had helped countless local businesses. This bank was the financial heartbeat of Oakage. She called Richard. "I'm going to head over there now and see what's really happening." Memories flooded back of her own struggles before meeting Richard. Skeptical loan officers who wouldn't give her small bookstore a chance. The countless times she'd been dismissed because she didn't fit someone's image of success. Despite their considerable wealth, she still drove her old sedan, still kept her morning runs. It was who she was. Inside the bank, the receptionist's tone indicated doubt. After 15 minutes, Patricia Kensington, branch manager, approached. "I understand you have questions about our transition. Actually, I'm here to discuss a potential purchase." Patricia froze. "Purchase?" "Yes, of the bank." The manager's laugh was instant and dismissive. "Ma'am, banks aren't like grocery stores. Especially not someone like you. I'd like to discuss making an offer for the entirety of Oakage Community Bank." A snicker came from behind them. Banking acquisitions involve millions of dollars and financial backing that, frankly. Patricia gestured at Vanessa's appearance. "I'm prepared to offer $15 million. Patricia's face settled into pity mixed with amusement. "And how exactly would you finance this purchase?" "A GoFundMe campaign. My husband and I have the necessary funds." This triggered actual laughter. "Your husband? What does he do exactly?" "He's in finance." "Like a bank teller?" "Perhaps he sells insurance from your garage." Waves of snickers spread through the growing audience. Regional Director James Wilson stepped forward. "And you have what? $15 million just sitting around?" "Actually, yes." Laughter erupted. "Check her running shoes. Maybe there's cash in the soles. Perhaps consider a financial literacy course at the community college," James added. The front doors swung open. A tall, distinguished man in a perfectly tailored suit entered. "I hope I'm not interrupting," Richard Mitchell said. Richard Mitchell. Forbes had recently listed him as the 28th wealthiest man in America. James Wilson's face underwent a remarkable transformation. "Mr. Mitchell, this is an unexpected honor." Richard ignored the outstretched hand. "I understand you've been speaking with my wife about acquiring this institution." Patricia's complexion turned ashen. "Your wife? Would it have changed how you treated her?" Richard asked. "You only suggested I take a financial literacy course and had security ready to escort me out," Vanessa said. Richard handed James his business card. "My legal team will be in touch. Make it $14 million. The $1 million discount seems fair, considering the hospitality my wife received." Vanessa addressed the silent room. "I came because Mrs. Henderson, who's banked here for 63 years, can't drive to the next town. I came because communities need institutions that see people as more than just numbers. The way you treated me today is exactly why financial institutions fail the people they claim to serve. Until you thought I was connected to wealth, I wasn't worth basic respect." Richard checked his watch. "Our lawyers will contact you this afternoon. When the acquisition is complete, we'll be reviewing staffing. I suggest everyone here reflect on how they represent this institution." Outside, Vanessa squeezed her husband's hand. "So much for my peaceful morning run. You never could resist righting a wrong."